Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enlarge the emoji in Messenger. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you have the Messenger application installed in your mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now. And as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to look at how to enlarge the emojis in Messenger. Now let's begin. Initially, I'm on the chat with my friend and he is kind of like an emoji. I'm simply gonna send him one, and as you can see, this is the size of the emoji. I want to increase its size. I'm simply gonna hold on the emoji right here and send it. As you can see, the size of the emoji increased. Now let's try it again for a shorter time, and there you have it. Let's try to send some other emojis. Now I'm gonna send this emoji as well. Well, there you have it, the size of the emoji is increasing. Just keep on holding to the emoji you want to send. And there you go. I'm gonna try another one. Simply keep on holding to the emoji you want to send. And leave it. Well guys, that's about it. That's how we enlarge the emoji in your Messenger. It's easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.